welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how I took this virgin hair level 6 to a level 10. So I started off doing back-to-back foils using Goldwill Oxy 20 volume with some Olaplex. Once I finished my foils, I then went in and did the root and let everything process for 45 minutes. Once I remove the foils, I always clarify my blondes 2 times to get them ready to tone. I am now applying my pre-tone before I color melt, and I'm using Goldwill's Colorants 10V. We just did a quick rough dry after the pre-tone, and now we're ready to color melt. For the final color melt, I used Wella Color Touch, and for the root I did 8-stroke 8-1 and 7-stroke 8-9 with 13 volume. I brushed that down in a drop halo pattern. For the money piece and all of the ends, I also used Wella Color Touch 10-stroke 6, 8-stroke 8-1, and a dot of 7-stroke 8-9, also using 13 volume.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
Let's go back to when trees were swung.